In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play games in the YouTube app on iPhone. If you didn't know this feature existed, you're not alone. YouTube now includes a playables section where you can launch simple games directly inside the app. That means you don't need to leave YouTube, and in most cases, you don't need to download anything extra to get started. It's a quick and convenient way to try a game right from your iPhone. To begin, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Before you go any further, it's a good idea to make sure your app is fully updated and that your iPhone is running the latest available version of iOS. Keeping both updated helps ensure that newer features like playables appear properly and work smoothly. If you don't see the option right away, an update is often the first thing to check. Once you're inside the YouTube app, look toward the top left area of the screen for the Explore icon, which looks like a compass. Tap that to open the Explore section. Depending on your version of the app and how YouTube is currently displaying content, you may also be able to find playables by scrolling down through the home feed instead. So if the option isn't immediately visible in one place, check the other. When you see playables, tap it to open the section. This area is where YouTube groups together games that can be played directly in the app. The layout may vary a little, but you should see a selection of game cards that you can browse through. Take a moment to look through the options and choose one that looks interesting to you. To start playing, simply tap any game card. The game will launch right inside the YouTube app, so there's no need to install a separate app or go through a download process first. That makes it especially easy if you just want to jump in and try something quickly. If a game takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. Performance can depend on your connection and device. And if you want to try something else afterward, you can return to the playable section and open another game the same way. That's all it takes. You just open YouTube, go to Explore, or scroll through Home, select Playables, and tap a game to start playing instantly on your iPhone.